Marcus here with Lakesview Performance. We're going to hook up an EZLynk cable to a 2015 Nissan Titan. Now notice there's two cables in here. There's one over here that looks the same as the other plug. It's not it. Anyway, it's right between the fuse panel and the coolant tank. And the black cap's on there. So we're gonna go take the black cap off. We already had a legacy cable, so we're just adding the Titan cable, the new style. Looks like that, long cable on it. And we're gonna go plug it in over here where we took the cap off. Well, we got our cable plugged in, we run it through the passenger window. Obviously, if you want to permanently install this, you run the wires through the firewall. And we're gonna go to the other side. We take our cable, our Titan cable that we ran through the window, and plug it into this legacy assembly right here. We take one end of our legacy connector and plug it into the OLED connector. Take the other end and plug it into our Auto Agent 3. Don't laugh, it has a red little string on it, so I don't lose it in the vehicle. It's very small. We then turn the vehicle on and open our Auto Agent app. Once complete tuning, again, if you have the vehicle and you own it and you want the cable in it, you can run it to the firewall, you can leave it in here, and you can leave your device hooked up. And if not, you can just remove all the cables in the reverse procedure and enjoy your truck.